In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Calendar in 2025 with this comprehensive tutorial. We'll be walking through each step to seamlessly sync your Trello cards with your Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss another task or meeting. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to go to your web browser and open Trello.com. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Click on it, you'll be prompted to sign in, and if you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. Otherwise, you can log in using your email or opt for a quicker method by using your Google account for a streamlined experience. Once logged in, navigate to the board section in Trello. This is typically accessible through the menu at the top of your Trello homepage. From here, look under your Workspaces section, where you'll find all the boards that you are a part of. Select the board you want to connect to Google Calendar. If you have a vast collection, simply scroll through or use the search bar to pinpoint the exact board you're interested in. With your desired board open, shift your focus to the calendar option, which is generally located within the board's menu. Clicking on it provides you with a visual overview of your tasks in a calendar format. Now find and click on Sync to Personal Calendar. This feature is embedded in the calendar view, facilitating easier integrations with external calendars like Google Calendar. Afterward, you'll be presented with a URL. This is a crucial link for the next few steps, so go ahead and click on Copy to save it on your clipboard. Once that's done, open a new tab and head over to your Google Calendar. Look to the left sidebar and locate the plus button next to Other Calendars. Click on this to expand the menu and reveal more options. From the drop-down, select from URL. You will then be prompted to paste the URL that you previously copied from Trello into the designated field. Once pasted, do a quick review to ensure there are no spaces or extra characters at the start or end of the link. This prevents any sync errors and ensures a smooth connection between Trello and Google Calendar. Finally, just below where you've pasted the URL, click on Add Calendar. This action will integrate your Trello board schedule directly into your Google Calendar, allowing you to view your tasks alongside any existing appointments you might have. With this connection, you'll have a holistic view of your engagements, all in one place, helping you manage your time and tasks more efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Trello board to your Google Calendar, streamlining your workflow and keeping your schedule organized. Remember, this setup can be customized further within Google Calendar settings to suit your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stick around for more insightful guides. Thank you for tuning in.